That's my little PSA to myself. Remember who you are. Remember who you are, Simba. What?
You're top night, let me hear holler. Bend it over, touch your toe, whip it out, show them.
Hey y'all. I'm looking at myself right now because I'm feeling, Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Wig Types. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now we are going to be doing the wig and makeup today, but before we get into that, it is SipnSlay. Okay, your girl got her tea on deck because I felt a little rumble in my jungle. My throat was scratchy this morning. I don't know what's going on, but you know, sip. I just want to make sure my throat not acted up. I need my throat, okay? I need my throat. But as always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so first up, we're going to do the hair. Let me put on my wig cap. I do have my natural hair cornrow. I know I don't do that all the time unless I'm keeping my braids in for a while. But I am going to keep these until the end of the year, hopefully, until I decide whether or not I'm going to cut my hair. So, you know, we'll see. But like I said, this unit comes to us from Wig Types. It is from the Outre Perfect Hairline series. This is the unit Klair. I got her in the color DR4 Brown Sugar Melt, and she does retail around that $55 price point. It does come in natural and special colors, so you can check any of those out today. You can. Like I said, I got the DR4 Brown Sugar Melt, so mine is a special color, so mine is probably up there around that, you know, $55 region. Okay, let me open up this wig. This is the packaging for the wig. Very fancy. Perfect Hairline normally comes with these boxes anyway, so I'm here for that. Got a lot of stuff going on. These daggone wigs package better than the human hair joints. Okay, it does come with a 13x6. Wait a minute, it's a 13x5. Since when? Wasn't these a 13x6 or was it 13x4? Julianne, right there on my floor, that was a 13x6. Why are we doing 13x5 now, huh? You charging the same, but you giving us less. I don't like that. 5-inch lace parting, ear to ear soft transparent lace, pre-attached elastic band. Okay, natural baby hairs. Okay, we're gonna see. I got this wig thanks to another YouTuber, Kie. You guys may know her as Co-Glamour. Y'all, she looked gorgeous in her TikTok and in her video. For a synthetic wig, this is soft. It definitely has texture. It's not silky. It's not super yaki either. I would definitely consider this to be like a light yaki. It doesn't feel bad at all. I like the color. It gets darker on the bottom, so it goes from light to dark. Let me turn to the side like this. It goes from light to dark, so that's really pretty. I'm hoping this doesn't wash me out or make me look kind of crazy. The hairline is actually looking pretty good, so I may not have to do much with that. The inside, just like all the others, so 2 combs on the side, and then you get the 1 comb in the back with the soft nape, so it's not, you know, pulling your hairs out, the adjustable straps, and the attached elastic band. I probably will cut this out because normally these caps run small on me and the band makes it a little bit tighter, but we're gonna see. Because my hair is flat on my head, I may be good to go, but y'all know my head is big every day. Okay, 23 inches. Let me take off the adjustable straps, and then we're gonna put this joint on to see. It may be a perfect fit because my hair is flat. Kaya. I'm giving bougie auntie. Tink. This is how I want my human hair wigs to look, okay? So when you were complaining about your human hair wigs not holding curls, get a synthetic. They holding. I probably won't use any type of, you know, big swoops or nothing because I don't feel like it's necessary. The 5-inch, it actually looks pretty natural. So I like it so far. So if it's hitting like this in a special color, that 1B, that 2, ooh, that's gonna be gorgeous. It does have like a tannish tint to it. I'm gonna put a little bit of my, I don't want to do 360, that may be too dark, so I'm gonna do 330 on my lace. Just a little bit like that, that's enough. Okay, so I'm gonna do 330 around my lace. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wear this glueless because I don't feel like it needs to be glued down based on how the wig, not the wig grip, the elastic band is fitting on me. It's pretty much giving me a snug fit. Who's texting me? Oh, my bro Rich and my girl Jazz. Hey y'all. I'm just gonna pull out a little bit of hair right here in the front. Not a lot, I just wanna break up the hairline right here. So I'm just gonna pull some from there. The baby hairs are probably what's doing it. So I'm just gonna pull this right here, because I don't need that. Right at my temple. Pull that out. Let me not get it in my teeth. Oh, it's crooked. But see what I did? It's still even. So it does just enough. I like that. I like that. All right, so glasses off. Maybe no. Let me put it back on. Who am I trying to fool? I need glasses to see. Let me stop faking. I don't really have an ear tab, but it does come down like right here. So I'm just gonna cut off the lace portion and not the hair. That's what I'm gonna try to do. These nails in the way. I mean, I could do this off my head. But it will require me to take my wig off, and I don't want to do that. Before I cut, let me sip. I hope it looks as cute when I, when I style it. I don't want to ruin the look that I had with the lace on. Sometimes, when you put a wig on, the laces on it, it looks a lot better in my opinion. I don't know why it does that. Now glasses off. Can you see that lace? I don't know. Let me cut this lace right here. That was by feel, because I dang sure couldn't see. Y'all. So I'm gonna use my Nairobi. Yep, I use that on my synthetic wigs too. Put that around my hairline. 2 pumps. I'm learning. That's all I need. Lay that lace down. Hold up. I just thought about it. I didn't need to put the powder on my lace yet, because clearly I'm wiping it off with the mousse. God dang, Kai. Well, I feel like I got it on my eye. I did. All right, let me pin this up in the back. I may do an upstyle. Look at that. Let me push the hairs back. I want to make sure these don't get straightened when I go to style the wig. Okay, I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited. Okay. I started my brows already. I already put on my primer. All the makeup that I'm using will be listed down below in my description box. Some of it will be linked to my Amazon store. I do have a brow tutorial on my channel, so if you want to check that out, you can. Now, the look and the thickness of my brows may change, but the technique is the same. Okay, let me do my orange corrector right here under my eyes and then around my mouth. I used to use this all the time thanks to my girl Brittany, and then I stopped using it because I didn't feel like I needed it anymore. Lies. But here I am using it again because of my girl Brittany. She really do be influencing your girl. Okay, hey Britt. All my brushes are linked to my Amazon store as well, but these are the Real Technique brushes. They come like a little special pack, so you can get them from Walmart, Target, CVS, Walgreens, all them places, okay, that you buy makeup products. Blend that all in under the eyes. I'm not gonna do any shadow today, so I'm gonna use my Soft Focus Black Radiance powder. This is in the color Milk Chocolate. Put that on a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna put that all over my eyes. Nothing crazy for this look. Every day I'm slaying it. What's going on with my voice? Hold up. Using my CoverGirl D40. I got a little tan this summer, but I'm still rocking with the D40 because the D40 is rocking with me. D50 is still a little bit too dark for my complexion, and I'm pretty sure that's because I've been using my skincare products too, so my skin is evening out. Thanks, Miss Khrissy. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about, go watch her skincare video. Her skin looks like glass. That's how like smooth and just shiny and vibrant and radiant, and just she drinks her water. Okay. She drinks her water and she uses her skincare products. I've learned over the last couple years I don't need a lot of foundation. Okay, I don't want the cakey look anymore. Okay, I like mine to look like skin, and most of the time that means letting my imperfections kind of shine through. It just gives me, it gives me that natural look. Now we're gonna do some concealer, very lightly, not that much, right here in the corner, and then right here on the tail, going up here and here, a little bit down the bridge, and a little X down here. Why am I talking like that? Talking like I can't move my mouth. I can move. I'm using my foundation stick from Juvia's Place. I ran out of Tunisia, so I've been using Katsina. The colors are pretty much right next to each other in the on their color chart, so it still works pretty good. Work it down my nose like this, up under the brow and over. I'm not looking for a super pinch nose because my nose will never be that, but I'm looking for a more defined nose bridge. Work it out. I don't care for the new Kanye. Blend this all in. Ooh, wrong order. Let me do the contour first. A little chunkiness under there, but I've been doing pretty good. I've been staying consistent with my, trying to lose my weight and get my levels together. I'm trying, y'all. I be starting and stopping because I don't have the motivation. If I miss one day, it's over. Don't. I ain't coming back. Don't expect me to come back. I'm not gonna do it. But now that I'm back on it, I have a little bit more drive to, get myself together. So I'm 100% happy with how I look when I look in the mirror. That's my little PSA to myself. Remember who you are. Remember who you are, Simba. What? What did I say that? Why am I like this? I don't know either. Maybe because I was scarred for, Halloween. A lot of y'all was calling me Kelly Rowland in the cat costume. Like, a lot of y'all miss the actual makeup, like, the black eyes and the scar on my eyebrow and the the black lip. Like, I didn't know Kelly Rowland looks like that on, on a Monday. I look like Kelly Rowland, I look like Kate Michelle, Reagan Gomez. I still don't see it, y'all, but you know, I appreciate the compliment because they all are gorgeous. So do y'all see how I get this face together? Makeup can change the way you look. Okay, it's supposed to. Let's be clear. And the only men who complain about girls who wear makeup are the ones who would not date the girl if she did not wear makeup. Oh, Kenny doesn't care for makeup, but he knows me. Okay, the vibe is always immaculate. Use my damn sponge and blend in the contour to kind of get rid of that line like that. Dang it, dang it, dang it. I blended my concealer a little bit too low. I wanted my concealer to be up here. I should have put the line up a little bit higher. Next time. Get my setting powder down the side of my nose and under the eye. My smile line, bring that all in. Now I saw this trick on TikTok. Use a pressed powder on top of your setting powder to make sure your setting powder and your under eye does not crease. I just have my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in the color 330 because I'm not going to use 360, that'd be too dark. I'm going to put it on my sponge and press under the eye like that. Since I've been doing this, it hasn't been creasing as much. Basking in the ambience. Okay, use my contour. So I'm going to use this top one right up here. Let me use some of the dark one down here. Use my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 360. So this is 360 Mocha. Put it on a fluffy brush. And let's make sure my nose contour is how I want her to be. Work it over the bridge. Y'all see that? Top tier. Ooh, wait a minute. Shh, quiet. Not while I'm near my eye. Pinch them up on the corners. Okay. All right, so let's take off the band here. Not bad. Let me move it down some. Let me just brush the hair and getting some snags. Outre Klair. This is not Claire Huxtable right here, y'all. I like how it's like have some lift up here. I like that. Now I am getting a little bit of shedding with this. Nothing heavy though. So let me use some of my excess contour right here. You see a little shadow on the sides over here. Outre has really stepped up the Perfect Hairline series. Like it looks really good. I'm gonna use my Toffee 330. I'm just gonna put it right in here. She a little crooked. What's going on? I'm feeling a little bump right here. The ventilated cap is a little bulky. The hair isn't super thick, but the density still looks nice for the look of the wig. You can get a little more contour right here. The nose, the lip, and the cheeks. Our lip gloss. Yeah. Y'all, this looks so good. Let me see. Use my little eyebrow pen right here. Press those in and brush that out a little bit. Got some flyaways. Let me use a little bit of my wax stick. Can't be attacking my gloss, Cindy Lou. I needs my gloss. I got a line right here on my makeup. Hold up. Now, why would you do that to me, huh? Why would you? Okay, so this looks amazing, y'all. It's a simple wig, simple style. The curls and the waves are just right. Like it frames my face really nicely. It looks good. Y'all see how that's looking on me? Let me go ahead and get a natural color. Now on the site, this color is sold out. However, they do have the chocolate swirl, which I also feel is a gorgeous color for Outre. So if you can't get this color, get the chocolate swirl. Although this is on the higher end for the synthetic wigs, when you add in those color jobs and the curls and the lace parting space, you can either spend $300 on a wig like this that you need to curl yourself, or you can spend $50-ish on a synthetic joint to give you the looks every time. And if you not buying it up, them TikTok girlies, they be tearing these wigs up. So you might want to go ahead and jump on it. Due to this being like a light Yaki-ish type of texture, the flyaways are, they're a little extra. Use your hold-in spray or your wax stick, whatever you gotta do to get your flyaways together. I'm here for this wig, I'm here for the look, I'm here for the color, I'm here for my makeup, kept it simple, and it's just, everything is a vibe. I also want to show you guys a little up style. So let me, ooh, that parting space, that joint just parted like the Red Sea. Okay. Pull it back in a ponytail, and we're gonna take it and twist it up. We're gonna take our claw clip, banana clip, whatever you wanna call it. I'll set it right there. Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. This is not a curly wig, it's more of like a wave. So whether you wear it to the side or flip back over it like this, it's gonna give like a wave look. Tuck it down like this, bring this little piece down. My claw clip can be a little bit higher. Hold up. Okay, listen. Up close and personal. Can y'all imagine this in the 1B? Oof, she gonna be hitting too. She is starting to tangle when I'm starting to move her around a little bit more, so be mindful of that. Get your paddle brush. I'm not saying you need this wig, but she a strong one. Ooh, she look good. Shout out one more time to Wig Types for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.